I know there's some things out there saying that save 80% of your premiums if you don't use an insurance agent because 80% of your money goes to the insurance agent. Simply not true. I've seen the TikToks. I've seen the Reels. It's simply not true for property and casualty, which is auto, home, and business insurance. 80% of that premium does not go to the agent. So if you don't use an agent, it's not going to miraculously go down by 80%. Sorry to burst the bubble, but that's just how it is. The ones that don't use agents, like well, they're all starting to use agents now, but there were ones that didn't use agents, like the cartoon character ones, who are starting to actually use agents now because they see the value of the advice. But they spend billions of dollars in advertising. So yeah, they may not pay commission, which is 10 to 15%, and sometimes as low as 5%, but they're spending much more than that on their advertising. If you see that lizard everywhere you look at the baseball stadiums, on the flyovers that are doing the flags flying over, if you see them on the TV and billboard everywhere you look, they're paying more for that than say the companies that we deal with, but they're A-rated companies that don't advertise. So they pay their agents to do their advertising for them, which is us. So there's a trade-off for that. So again, we're not making 80%, despite what the TikToks say, despite what those little reels say. Don't pay your agent. They make 80% of the dollars that go in. It's simply not true. If you have any questions about anything, even our compensation, please feel free to reach out.